Where's the bear, Mason?
Mason, look at her.
Mason, where's the bear? Get the bear. And that cough is so funny. Where's the bear? Ooh. Mama. Oh, that was cute. Where's the bear, Mason?
Mama. Mama.
He's just talking so much.
Mama.
I love it.
Mason. Mama.
Talk to Mama. Where's your bear?
Can you say Mama? Good job. Good job.
Good.
Mama.
Aw. He's trying.
Are you about to throw up on me? Because I feel something coming.
Uh-oh.
Your eyes are getting watery. Mama.
See if you can get him to talk again with his bear. Mason, where's your bear?
What's this?
Is that your bear? Oh. Mr. Drool Face.
It's a bear.
You got hiccups now?
You say,
Oh my goodness.
say bear. What are you doing with your mouth?
That is so funny.
Bear?
Mason. Oops. Get the bear. Look over here so you can talk.
Look over this way.
Yeah. This is the best one so far, actually, where he's talking.
Mason.
Oh, he sees Lexi.
Sit down. Bend your big old belly.
Mason.
Mason, look.
Mason, look at the bear. He's trying to see Lexi. Mason.
Sunshine bear, sunshine bear.
I'm not used to this big phone yet.
Who's that?
Mason.
He's so gentle.
This little call. Hey.
Who's that?
You go talk to the bear? Talk to him.
Say
What are you coughing
Mama.
about?
Sit
Mason.
up.
Okay. This little cough.
It's pink.
Nice face.
Whoops.
Whoops.
Where you
Where
going?
you going, buddy? What is that? Mason, what is that? Look up. I can't see
Look up
you.
here.
He's like, boo, boo, boo. That is so funny.
I think it's
That was
because he's too fat. Like, when he's like this, he can't breathe right. Look, sit up.
Mason,
man.
are you a chunky monkey? What is
Yeah.
it?
Good job. You got my sleeve.
Okay.